Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Becca, and this week on the Infinite Collab is story time. And enjoy. I have no makeup on. Shut up, bird. Shut up. Yeah. I'm sitting like in my doorway to the outside. So I believe we left off where a young lady named Lexi was sitting in her bedroom on the internet discovering a boy named Ricky having a meet and greet. So, I guess this is where I come in. Okay. Story time! Well, a young lady named Lexi went off on a journey. She had to travel by boat, sailboat to be exact, airplane, car, bus, even animal to get to this meet and greet. It was a long, hard journey that she faced many obstacles in, such as One Direction, Justin Bieber, that girl that burned her hair off in the new internet sensation video thing, Shane Dawson, and a very, very large cat. My camera turned. But you see, Lexi, she's a strong, independent, determined girl. She's gonna get to this boy. She's gonna do whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. So she finally gets to the meet and greet, right? And she's all, where is he? And there's like all these people, and she's just like, oh my god! Well, isn't that for a cliffhanger? Ha ha! Please don't hate me. Well, I'm gonna go. Hope you enjoyed the story so far. Hopefully, Hannah will continue the story and make it wonderful on many levels. Okay, I'm gonna leave now. I'm getting in here. Remember to stay infinite. That could be a cool little mask thing. Bye!